Hello, good evening. Welcome to my channel, Divine Feminine Triple Nine. Nowadays, I'm having a lots of downloads regarding the divine masculines. I really don't know. I mean, are these divine masculines really awakening, or it's really funny? So I was just sitting in the afternoon. In fact, I was resting in the afternoon, just had tea, and after that, I just came on my terrace. The evening is beautiful. It's as beautiful as I used to have in my teenagers. Um, During my teenage, I used to read a lots of books. Okay, I was a good student, but I was very interested in reading books. So, from few days, I have been connected to all my childhood friends and my teachers and everybody. So, from few days, I was having this strong urge of reading one book, very famous book. I'm sure you all know that. It's written by Robin Sharma, The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari. And this is one of the books I really, this is one of the books which first came into my encounter when I was going through a lot of problems. Everything was breaking away in my life around probably you can say 5 to 6 years back. The things were breaking real hard. My health was going down, and there were a lot of things happening around me which was happening without my control, as if I was losing grip on my life. Everything was falling apart. And then suddenly, and books and music has always been my last resort. So this book just came to me as a divine guidance, and I started reading this book, though I couldn't finish it that time. But I had read a couple of uh, chapters, but I think I had not finished the book that time. Okay, and then suddenly a lot of things were happening in my life, and I had to shift from one place to another. Um, and then what happened? A lot of things happened in my life, and then suddenly I started rediscovering myself. I started giving importance to my studies, to my health, and uh, wanted to get back on the track. Okay, so let's come back to the book. So I'm reading this book, and this in this book, Julian Mantel, as all of you know, he is the monk who has sold his Ferrari, and he was a very highly celebrated lawyer. And this story somewhere I can resonate to, because even I have finished my law and I'm a lawyer. So there's a lot of things that I can resonate to, and this book, what I mean to say is, if you are a divine masculine and if you are feeling that your life is breaking, okay, quickly grab the copy of this book. See, it's not a sponsored thing, but I would really recommend you read this book. This is an amazing book, okay, and this is just a divine guidance. Okay, this is an amazing book. um, I mean, you will, uh, and believe me, in this, I'm not very old. What I keep telling this age, but I feel like a teenager after, after all the hard work that I have done on myself. Like I did all the yogic practices and yoga and all the. I have gone through a lots and lots of purging and karma burning, and you can name it, and I can tell you. Okay, so what I mean to say is, read this book. Okay, go and read this book, and there are certain things that can be taught to you only. See, when a vessel is ready, only then, like in India we say, you can boil milk only in a clean vessel. Okay, so what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to clean your vessel first. First clean your vessels. First come to the knowing that what are you up to. Okay, first come to the knowing that what are you up to. Are you really into the awakening process, or you are just okay? There's a beautiful bird who has come and sat here. I'll try to take a picture and show you. So see, I'm getting all the signs from the universe. Okay, so now it's your duty to find out whether you are in the awakening process, and if you are really in the awakening process. If you're really in the awakening process, then nobody will be able to stop you. Your soul will guide you, and you will ascend from the 3D situation to 5D. Okay, so see, from a few days, that's what till now I used to train only divine feminines, but suddenly from few days I'm getting this urge that we have done enough work on divine feminines. Okay, I mean, I will continue working with divine feminines, but it's our duty to balance both. Okay, we have come here for a purpose, so let's also help the divine masculines, because there have been many divine masculines who have been asking me if they could be helped. And in the past, a few of my friends who were my close friends, so I have helped them. So I don't think I should be having any issues, and we have a team and who will be helping you. So you can get back to us. You can write. Okay, you can send me a WhatsApp message, or you can contact me on Telegram or my channel. Okay, so we'll see you soon. Okay, you have a great day. Bye bye.